What's going on, everybody? Josh here. Where the heck am I at today? I am so glad you asked. Well, I'm out in Webb Sunchase in Parrish, Florida, and I'm going to take you on a tour on all 6 of their model homes. Actually, really quick edit. This video ended up being almost an hour long, so I'm actually going to break it into 4 different videos. And since these 6 model homes are over 4 of their 6 series, I'm just going to break it into the 4 different series. So be on the lookout for the next 3 videos. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan, and I specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Parrish, Florida and surrounding areas. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. My contact number is right here. Give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever is easier for you, or you can scan this QR code right here. That will take you to my Calendly link where you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss your real estate goals. All right, guys, so before we jump into the home tours, I want to go over the HOA CDD here. Also, if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you what it looks like driving in from 301 in Parrish into the gated community. It's guard gated. Mini center is not quite done yet, but I'll show you a little bit of some renderings and stuff like that. But real quick, the CDD fees, they have a couple different collections out here. So the Scenic and Leisure series, the total CDD is $1,319.66. All the CDD fees are added to your tax bill. For the Distinctive and Passport series, that bumps up to $1,588.45 per year. And then the Echelon series, which is their higher end, a little bit bigger lots, is $1,991.63 per year added to your tax bill. For the HOA fees, right now, being pre-amenity and pre-restaurant, for that Scenic and Leisure, it's $262.41 per month. The Distinctive and Passport series, it bumps up a little bit to $270.30. And the Echelon series, it's $278.87 per month. Then once you actually have the amenities and the restaurant, it bumps up roughly $140 more. So it gets you a little bit over the 402 to 420-ish for your HOA fees there. So I know that was a lot of information. I'll put all this stuff on the screen. If you have any questions, reach out, but let's start today's tour. All right, so this one is the Crestmere, and this is actually the last one in the video. This is part of their package series I was telling you about. This one is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1662 square feet, and the base price on this is $380,990. And if I remember correctly, when I was out here with my clients in the garage, they actually have the package options. So I'll show you that. Because if you were to build this floor plan, you cannot go to the design center. You choose from a package. So you can see here the model shown, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1662 square feet, and the options are right there. So really, owner's bath 2, and then the covered lanai extension with the sliding glass door. So nice open entryway here. Of course, the mirrors make it feel a little bit bigger. And then over here to the right, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So bedroom number 1 right here. This one does not have the 8-foot doors. It has the 6'8" doors. Just your standard closet. And then right outside of bedroom number 1, you're gonna have bathroom number 1. Of course, you have your single vanity and then your tub and shower combo. And then right outside of the bathroom, you're gonna have your air handler. You thought I was gonna say linen closet, didn't you? I did too, to be honest. So there's no linen closet. But I guess I should have actually paid attention to this. I would have known that was the air handler. All right, so bedroom number 2. A little bit smaller bedrooms here. I mean, it's only 1662 square feet being a 3-bedroom, so it's your standard closet. All right. Come down the main hall, take a left. You're gonna have your flip-flop closet right here. And then your laundry room right here at the front of the home. All right, so right out here would be your normal 2-car garage. But like I said, here is your packages. So it starts with Classic as the cheapest. You have 3 different colors: Classic Fresh, Classic Calm, and Classic Natural. Then you bump up to your second level, your Premier Fresh, your Premier Natural, and your Premier Warmth. And then the top of the line for the packages is the Luxe. You have the Luxe Fresh, the Luxe Calm, and the Luxe Warmth. So there's a look at the different packages if you were to choose one of these homes that were kind of their package homes. And then here are your faucets and stuff like that for. All right, so coming in out of the garage, let's go back to the main hallway here. Take a left, come in right here into your living room space. Of course, you have your triple sliders. That is an upgrade. Normally it would just be windows. There is also sliders, which will go out in a minute, off of the dining room. So you're opened up to your kitchen here. Stainless steel refrigerator in the corner there. Of course, it's a gas community, so you have your gas slide-in range with a microwave above. And then in the island, you have your single bowl undermount sink, your stainless steel dishwasher, and then your pantry right over here in the corner. And there is a light, it just didn't turn on. All right, so right off of the kitchen and dining room, or kitchen and living room, you're gonna have your dining room over here in the corner. And then to the left of that, it's gonna be your main suite. All right, and then right into your main bathroom. Got your dual vanity here, just not quite as big as we've seen so far, with a toilet there instead of a separate water closet. And then you have a shower here with the bench. Of course, your transom window as well, and then your built-in niche. And then your walk-in closet back here. I like how in here they did the 2 rows. At least give you some extra space to hang some clothes. But nice size closet overall, especially for the size of the home. And then back on the back area there, they put the shelves in since there's not a linen closet. All right, let's head outside. Take a look at the covered lanai. Keep in mind, that's an upgrade. It would just be 3 windows. And then you have your sliders right here, standard. But I think I would do, I guess it depends. You let me know. Well, there'd still be windows here. So I was gonna say, where would you put a TV if you're gonna put a TV out here? But you have your covered and screened in lanai here, which is plenty. But here's a look at the back of this one. Once again, this is the Crestmere floor plan. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. This is your friendly real estate reminder that if you're thinking about buying new construction, make sure you use a real estate agent. As nice and as knowledgeable as the sales reps are, they represent the builder and not you. So make sure you have someone in your corner looking out for your best interest. If that could be me, give me a call, shoot me a text. My number's on the screen right here. But let's go back to the video. All right, so as promised, here is the amenity center in progress. Show you real fast. You have your 18,000 square foot clubhouse, the Beechwood tap bar and grill, your pickle courts, your pool with your lap lanes and cabanas, fitness center, walking trails, and a golf simulator. Solara at Sunchase. So here is a rendering of what that's going to look like. I had a sneak peek at, it's only at frame, so and there's a lot of people, so I wasn't able to really walk around very well and show you what it looks like. But there you have it. They're already breaking ground. I believe they said it's gonna be ready at the end of the year, but you know how timelines go, so I'll believe it when I see it. Okay, so here is Solera at Sunchase. This is the floor plan that it's gonna be, the big amenity center. And then you have, here's your color schemes and all the finishes. It's gonna be pretty nice. All right, so we're on 301, turning left onto 62. Right here on the corner, they're gonna be developing like a little grocery store stuff. They haven't announced all the stuff it's gonna be, but they're gonna develop kind of this corner here. And then right up here, you're gonna have Crosswind Point to the right. They're pretty much done over here. I mean, West Bay still has some villas. They have a couple single family homes left. Other than that, it's pretty much done, I believe. It's been a while since I've been in there. And then heading down, you can see this is a 60-mile-an-hour road. So kind of just give you an idea of how far out this Del Webb Sunchase is from 301. It's not terrible. It just feels like it's out here. Coming up on the left, we're going to pass Crosswind Ranch. Homes by West Bay is in there, and then Mattamy is now in there as well, right here on the left. Can't really see it very well where the camera's positioned, but obviously don't want to mess with that while I'm driving, so just take my word for it, it's to the left. And then right here to the right is the northern entrance of Salt Meadows. This is a Meritage Homes community. It goes all the way down through to Rutland Road, just south, so cut through there. So all of that's still Salt Meadows to the right. Coming up here on the left is going to be the Del Webb Sunchase. So we're at about a little over 2.5 minutes on this video. So like I said, it's not terrible. It just feels like you're out here away from everything, which could be a great thing. And I'm sure eventually all this area will be developed as well. Everything to the left here is the Del Webb Sunchase. Looks like a couple people heading to the event. This is, as you'll see when we get up here, this is a guard gated community. See, they're going to be selling their land right there across the street. So a lot of these farms are selling out to developers. Let's pass the sign that says community garden, miles of walking trails, modern fitness center, resort style pool, multi-million-dollar clubhouse, on-site bar and grill. So turning left right here into the main entrance, you can see the big sign there with the oh, it's, sorry about that, it auto focused. So entrance there with the water feature. To the right, of course, the residents will go. To the left is where the guard gate is and the guests go. Hey, good morning. Realtor heading to the thing. Thanks, have a great day. All right, so here is the gated entrance. Got Del Webb on the fence there. Straight ahead is going to be the amenity center. We're getting a sneak peek today, so I'm going to see where we're parking. All right, looks like we're parking straight ahead. To the right is the model row, and we'll head over there in a little bit. But let's go check this out, find some parking, and then see what this is all about.